This can opener, capable of cutting through even the toughest metal, will blow your mind. Imagine a device so powerful, it can slice through metal with ease. This can opener, often overlooked in our daily lives, is a testament to human ingenuity. With its sharp cutting wheel and comfortable grip, it's a must-have in every kitchen. But what makes it truly remarkable is its ability to cut through even the toughest metal. From tin cans to thick steel, this can opener is up to the task. But that's not the strangest part, as we'll explore in just a moment. The mechanism behind this incredible device is quite simple, yet brilliant. It's like a tiny, precision-crafted machine that relies on a combination of leverage and cutting wheel. When you turn the handle, the cutting wheel begins to rotate, slicing through metal with ease. But have you ever wondered how it manages to cut through such thick metal? It's all about the science of cutting, which involves a delicate balance of pressure and speed. The cutting wheel is designed to maintain a consistent speed, even when cutting through thick metal. This is achieved through the use of a specialized bearing that reduces friction and ensures smooth operation. But wait until you hear what comes next, the can opener's secret to cutting through even the toughest metal. As it turns out, the key lies in the cutting wheel's unique design and the way it interacts with the metal. It's a bit like a game of cat and mouse, where the cutting wheel dances across the metal with precision and finesse. The result is a clean cut that leaves no jagged edges or sharp points. This is especially important when working with food, as jagged edges can be a real hazard. But what about the impact on our daily lives? The can opener's ability to cut through even the toughest metal has far-reaching implications. For instance, it opens up new possibilities for food packaging and transportation. Imagine being able to transport food in tin cans without worrying about them bursting open during transport. This could be a game changer for industries that rely heavily on food transportation, such as grocery stores and restaurants. But that's not all. The can opener's impact also extends to the environment. With the ability to cut through metal with ease, we can reduce waste and create more sustainable packaging solutions. This is especially important as we continue to grapple with the challenges of climate change and waste management. So, what does this mean for us in our daily lives? It means we have access to a powerful tool that can make a real difference in our lives. The can opener's impact on our daily lives is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. So the next time you reach for a can opener, remember the incredible story behind this humble device. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this blowing facts. Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery. The can opener may seem like a simple device, but its impact is anything but simple. It's a reminder that even the most mundane objects can hold incredible secrets and stories. And who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered. The possibilities are endless, and we can't wait to explore them with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts on this incredible can opener. We'd love to hear from you and start a conversation about this amazing device. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this.